On behalf of ExpertVillage here at Jean Prairie, this is Gloria Van Workum. I'm here with Rebecca, helping her choose a wig. She took chemotherapy, and she is now choosing a wig that she had wore her hair before she had her chemo. We need to discuss with our chemo patients that when you're picking and choosing a wig, you should choose something that looks very much like you. The same color, the same style, and then you feel very natural with it on. So when you go in to pick out a wig, always tell your helper that you would like to have a wig styled very much like your own hair. There's no reason why you can't have something that look just like your own hair, because we can cut them, thin them, do anything that needs to be done. So just make sure that you tell them that you want to look like yourself. We style wigs here for chemo patients every day, and they all go out very happy with it. So Rebecca here, she says she tells me that she really likes this wig, and this is how she looked before she started her chemo treatments. And it's very pretty on her, very natural.